friends, welcome back to our channel. As you can see, today we are at Legoland. This is the first time that we have visited with our annual passes for the 23 season. We're going to go in, see if there's any updates. We've seen a few walking in. It's looking like it's a busy day, so we're going to see what we can get done. We're only staying for a few hours. We're just stopping off on our way back home from our holiday home. But let's go, shall we? They've got some billboards up advertising the Spring Fest. We'll probably come to that. We're just stopping off in the sweet shop to pick up our refillable cup. So they've got the Coca-Cola freestyle machines in here. There's 3 in here, and they're all scattered around the park as well. First one done? Cool. And these are the prices. So £16 for 1 bottle, 2 for 14, and 3 or more is 12 each. And then you can refill them for £6 on your next visit. As I mentioned on our Chessington vlog, if you haven't seen that, I'll re-mention it here. But as we're annual pass holders and we pay upright for the whole year, we do get a few little perks here and there. We get some fast passes, and we also get refillable cups, so that hasn't cost us anything today. We get 1 each, so we've got 5 to use up. I've got 2 in Chessington. I've got 1 here today, only because we're here for a couple of hours, but when we come back again I'll get another 1, and that is free for us to get and free to refill. But obviously if we then come again with the 2 cups, then they will cost us the £6 to refill them. You're gonna clap your hands, join the fun. Legoland. Stomp your feet and catch the beat. Legoland. Some more construction here. They've taken the dinosaur away, but this is for the build and race. There's going to be a Lego Ferrari in there. I think there's going to be a place where you can actually build, a little bit like the Brick further down, and a couple of other activities in there. But it's somewhere good to go when it does start raining as well. So yeah, it's not far from the entrance either. Welcome to Las Vegas here. We've got the Luxor. I took my mum to Las Vegas last November, so there is a vlog from that if you haven't watched that. But yeah, it's funny to see that here in Miniland. Statue of Liberty over there.
Yeah, a Statue of Liberty.
You like the Statue of Liberty, don't you? What game do they have that on?
Lego Movie.
Lego Movie. Taylor's favourite bit. NASA. They've got the rocket over there, it's just taken off. Oh, there it goes, back down. This is cool. I think this is the newest bit actually in Miniland, though that rocket has been there for many, many years.
The man at the back there, I can see him on the doorway running out with the Mona Lisa.
That's a new addition, isn't it?
Yeah, apparently so.
The Forbidden City. The place. It's like Ninjago, yeah. Located in the heart of Beijing. I love reading all this. So it took 500 hours to build, 4 builders,
127,872 bricks. That's a lot of Lego.
Yeah, it's amazing though, isn't it?
And a lot of super glue.
We've got the Taj Mahal here. That's so pretty.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
Let's see how many bricks this one is. 47,000, exactly. 3 builders, but it took longer to build.
Yeah,
There you go.
It's a lot more intricate, isn't it?
Yeah.
Dancers are off.
So just off of the side here of Miniland, next to Duplo Valley entrance here. This is where they're doing all the construction for the new dueling coaster. So that's going to be super exciting. Legoland definitely needs another coaster, especially right here by the entrance as well. So that would be a nice addition to Legoland for sure. I think a new coaster is needed. They haven't had like a big coaster or a thrill-seeking thing added for a while now. So yeah, really excited for that, and we're going to keep an eye on that, and hopefully it won't be too long until it's taking shape. Heading into Duplo Valley now. The Dino Coaster is a very, very long queue, so we're going to skip that. and see what we can get on with a very low wait. As I said, we're not here for a long period of time today. Helicopters are here to the side. They're also looking very busy. The whole of Land is looking very busy. Even the little play area here. We're going to head round you to Fairy Tale Brook, see if that's a walk on. So on the app you can look through all the queue times, and as you can see there are quite a few that are high. The highest is actually the Sky Rider at 70 minutes, and that's the first ride that you come into, so definitely don't recommend going to the first ride. Even the Dragon's 55 minutes, Lego Ninjago. So Skylion's actually less, it's at a 45-minute wait, but that's still quite a long queue, especially as we're only spending a couple of hours here. So I think we're just gonna see what we get to and jump on it depending on the time that it is.
Three little pigs.
And I'll blow your house in.
His house is blown in. Interesting. Why has he got a phone?
Older days don't have phones.
Yeah, olden day people do not have phones. He has a phone.
Look.
Hush now. I will sleep until you are kissed on the lips by me.
That's all better now.
I've never tasted anything so nice.
Oh look, there's the Wicked Witch. Oh look, they look familiar. Hi-ho.
Your wish is my command, Master.
Are you there, Grandma? Please open the door.
Oh look, there's the wolf.
It looks like they're rehearsing for the new show.
Power of sky and sea.
Yeah.
Now your minds belong to me!
No, the pirate captain has the chair. I can't surrender a spell.
Take her to the planet.
Oh dear.
We are heading into Knight's Kingdom to ride the dragon. It is saying on the app a 5-minute wait. What I can't believe, so we'll find out when we get to the board and also head into the queue line. What happened the last time we rode this?
It won't. No, I'm not going on this ride.
So the queue says 5 minutes. It definitely isn't, unless loads of people have just turned up at the same time because they've seen 5 minutes. So we joined the queue dead on 1:45. So we'll see, but as I said, it does say, oh, I think it's just updated. It did say 5 minutes. And now, where's it gone to? 60-minute wait. Oh my goodness. But it's moving quite quickly. I don't think this is going to be a 60-minute wait. So we're next to load. We're just about to get queued up, ready to go on the dragon. So it was about 45 minutes. To be very lucky when it comes to the dragon rides. Last time we went on it, we got stuck. We were the last ones to ride it. And then today, as we literally leave to go outside it starts to pelt it down. It seems to have stopped now, what's a little bit funny, considering we've now stopped riding, but we are all soaked from literally riding a 30-second ride in the rain. We're all drenched.
I want the car one.
You want the car one?
Yeah.
So I asked Jude on the way down, do you want to ride the car, the little driving school? He said no. The whole time that we queued for the dragon, he decided that he wanted to ride the car one. It's always the way. As I said at the beginning of this video, it was only a stop off on the way home. So I don't know, we're going to keep walking and see if we can find anything inside to do. And if not, we're going to just head up and go in the shop, see what they got, and then head to the car. But yeah, the sky isn't looking that great. So we've just come into the shop and I've seen this. It's $19.99, but if you take a nice family group picture together, it'd be quite nice to have as a little memory of the day if you come. So you build like the frame itself and then put your picture in the middle. Really nice, something a little bit different, but like a nice souvenir. Lots of different lanyards here. I like this black one with all the different colours, and then it's white the other side. Comes with a little plastic wallet as well, so if you're a Merlin pass holder like ourselves, you could put that in there. A Mythica one, I think this one's a Mythica as well, with the sea lion pattern on it. Yeah, it is, but they're nice. Lots of different prices, $4.99 for the coloured one and then $7.99 for the Mythica one. These little gold coins are nice as well. I think they're a coin. Doesn't say. Where's the price? Yeah, souvenir coin, $5.99. It's nice with the dragon on it as well. What's that?
Torch.
A torch. A hot dog man torch. You like the hot dog man, don't you? They've got loads of different ones. Pirate, shark, pizza man,
Banana.
key lights, $12.99 each. Wow, okay. Lots and lots of different cuddly toys. Characters, fox, penguin, chicken.
Can I run away with this?
No, you can't run away with that one. Oh, the unicorn one's sweet. Shark
I love
man.
that one.
You like the hot dog man one. Sweet cool man.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the banana man. Lots of Lego Ninjago over here as well. There is a Lego Ninjago shop down by the actual ride itself. We didn't go in there today. But yeah, lots of different clothing bits, hats, bags, lunch boxes, a lanyard as well with all the different characters on. My boys love the Ninjagos. Then just some classic bags, little bum bag here, and then they've got the big rucksacks over here, lots of different colours. They've got a whole Duplo section here as well, lots of bits and pieces for little ones. This is cool. Take home your own personal Lego mosaic. So they put your picture into Lego, £109 though. My Nan would absolutely love this. Nan, if you're watching, look what they've got. They've got loads of like classic Lego bits. Guitar, cars, Back to the Future, pickup truck. Wow, oh look, a Vespa.
I love
A NASA spaceship. Wow, loads over here, isn't there?
I want this.
What's the loop coaster? Look, does it actually work?
I think so.
Oh wow, that's cool, isn't it? £344 though. But wow, this is the big shop at the top of the park. So as you can see, it's huge. Goes all the way around this side as well. All the key rings here as well. All the different characters, or just a Lego brick. But yeah, these are nice. They've even got like Star Wars, Harry Potter. All at Minions. And they're $5.99 each. So we've just come across the lion from the Sky Lion, Maximus, and then also bits and bobs.
Yeah.
You've also got a Avatar section here, Harry Potter section. Oh, a little bit of Disney over there as well. We'll have to quickly go and look. Oh, look what Freddie's found. Excuse me, we'll have to quickly go and have a look over there.
Please. Please.
Did you bring your pocket money?
It's at home. We're going home.
We'll have a look at it. Oh, look.
Oh, look.
Woody and Bo Peeps here. Buzz Lightyear. I love this 100th anniversary one with Tinkerbell in it. I just want Tink on her own though. Little train set. That's nice, isn't it, Fred? They do the individual of Donald Duck and Daisy as Freddie just showed us, and that's the one that Taylor just picked up with Scrooge and his nephews. We've got a Tangled one there, that's lovely. Oh, and an Up House. Disney Princess Castle. I know they do an actual Disney castle, they don't have it here. They've got a Mickey Mouse mosaic as well. Yeah. And we're back in the car, looking like drowned rats. Got caught in more rain from the shop back to the car. But I thought I would end the vlog here. Thank you for joining us. I don't know how long it's going to be. It was quite a short day there. It's only 2:15, but we were thinking about leaving around this time and 3 o'clock. So, you ready to go home, boys?
Yes. And relax.
It's very, very cold. It's the wind more than anything, and then the rain just topped it off. So, we didn't get that much done, but this is when we feel very lucky to have the Merlin passes that we can just come and go as much as we want throughout the year, and if we don't get much done or if it's really busy, it doesn't matter too much for us. But I hope you've enjoyed coming along for this wet
And windy day.
yeah at Legoland. But please don't forget to give it a like, leave us a comment down below, and hit subscribe as well if this is the type of content that you enjoy. But for now, we're going to love you and leave you, and we will see you
next time
on our next adventure. Bye!